Hello, hello, hello. Right, well, I'm sorry this is like going to be really quick, but I'm really excited. I know I'm just about to go to bed, which hence the no makeup, dodgy hair, dressing gown. Very nice. Nice touch. I like it. Anyway, yeah, I'm quite excited because for the first time ever in my life I've learned how to do that popping noise that I used to do on that bird's eye advert. Oh my god. Can I just show you this, please? Honestly, just wow. How good is that? Sorry, but 16 years of my life and I've never been able to do it. But now, just over the moon. I'm going to be doing it all the time. So, yeah. Anyway, that's all YouTube. So, have a nice day.